If you're using video across your business, you're also likely managing multiple users and a large video library. Creating different teams and folders for your account is an easy way to keep everything organized. With a few clicks, you can assign people to different teams based on their role, department, or whatever makes most sense for your organization. Then organize your video content into different folders and choose which teams get access to what. This process is easy to scale, since the settings you apply to a main folder can automatically trickle down to all of its subfolders. That way, people only see the videos relevant to them and can only perform actions they have permission for. This keeps users focused, so it's quick and easy to find and share the right video with the right audience.